In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit pounds on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, by doing your fiat deposit, you can start investing on Kraken. So if you want to deposit pounds, all you need to do is log into your Kraken account. Then right here, click on deposit or go to transfer and deposit. And now you should find some options like cash, crypto, or even stocks. So what we are looking for is cash. And right here, you will find all the options. So the one we are looking for is obviously pounds right now. So click right here, and here you will see some information about the bank transfer, because if you want to deposit pounds, the only option right now, or at least the only option that is available on my country, is a manual bank transfer. So firstly, the account names must match, which means that it has to be the same name on your Kraken account and your bank account. Same thing with the account type. If you have a personal Kraken account, you can only send money from your personal bank account. And lastly, if you want to send multiple deposits, if you want to send the same amount over and over on a short period of time, it might be delayed. So what you can do is consider sending different amounts on your multiple deposits. Just click on I understand, and right here you will see the bank details of the Kraken bank, which is the one where we need to send the bank transfer. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will also see some details like the processing time, the Kraken fee, and the minimum and maximum deposit. If you click on select another deposit method, in my case there is no other payment method available, but you can try that to see if you can deposit with PayPal or any other payment method. For example, if you're using other currency like euros, you might see different payment methods. So that's it. That's how you can deposit pounds on your Kraken account. After you have got your money on your Kraken wallet, you can exchange or convert your pounds into Bitcoin or any other currency, and this way you can start trading and investing using your Kraken account. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.